Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2016 Pete 389 factory built glider kit to show you. This is a Pride and Class series built with a 12.7 liter Detroit, 13 speed. It's got 837 total on the clock and about 100,000 miles on the overhaul. Got it hot, gonna do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, frame rails, tires, brakes, and finish up on the inside. Let's go ahead and get started. Blow by is phenomenal. Back where you don't have full fenders, all new drives, all aluminum wheels, air slide fifth wheel. New brakes. With all the Pride and Classes platinum interior. See good low side oil pressure. Super smooth through the RPMs. Climbs just like it's supposed to. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.